Episode 6, Life of Jordi. We're in Bushkill, Pennsylvania, going on the hills again. And yeah, we're gonna go now. Obviously everyone's rushing, so.
Where'd you go? Just taught this man how to snowboard.
Yeah, I just learned how to snowboard.
It's nice. We're gonna go up on the big mountain. So, see you there.
Yeah, let's do it. We'll probably put some super awesome dope clips of slow-mo and all this stuff, but we'll see. Just one.
Just one night, one night. Just one night, one night. Worth more than just one night, one night.
What's up?
We went down the mountain. Jordan made it.
I made it, bro. I made it all the way.
I was the one that fell, so I almost broke my arm. It really hurts.
This man really out here. But yeah, this is just so lit. This is my first time snowboarding. I'm not too shabby at it, low key. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not good at all.
Are you good?
I'm okay. I'm
better than the most.
Let's just say I'm going too fast for what I can do. So yeah, this is it.
It's lunchtime. We're hanging out, eating. Jordan went to go get some mayonnaise and mustard. Look what I got. It's a good hot chocolate.
Okay, that wraps up the day at the That wraps up the day at Ski Resorts Day at the Shawnee Mountain. It's currently 50 degrees.
No, it's 40.
Celsius.
Yeah, Celsius.
Oh, Fahrenheit. Fair enough, Fahrenheit. I went from not knowing how to snowboard at all. In
an hour.
In like 1 or 2 hours, I was already going down the mountain like hella fast, like doing jumps and stuff.
He still doesn't know how to stop yet, so.
I don't know how to stop though, I just go. I mean, I know how to stop, come on.
Yeah, but you fall when you stop.
Okay,
Well, yeah.
I can stop, it's just maybe not the safest way. But, you know, that's okay. We have 3 more days of this, and there's a Tesla right there. We love Teslas, you know what I'm saying? I just want to go like lick it or something. But yeah, that's the mountain over there. Went down those ones right in the middle. Okay. Now we're going back to the casa. Work on more beats or eat food or something.
No, yeah, eat a lot of food. We're gonna eat a lot of food. And then we're gonna go to sleep, and we're gonna do it all again.
Yep, here we go. Next time we're gonna bring the mounts. Strap it to my chest, strap it my head, strap it everywhere. I'll put it on the board.
Strap it everywhere.
Always strap up, you know what I'm saying? Also, the GoPro battery is really low, so we'll see if I even make it to the car. But yeah, I'll see you whatever. Yep.